Welcome everyone, you may be thinking about getting a cooling stand for your Xbox Series S. Are they worth buying? And the answer is no. So let me just get this out of the way first of all. The Xbox Series S does run really hot. A cooling stand will reduce the total temperature which the Xbox Series S runs at. However, here's the problem. While that sounds nice and all, all these games are developed for the Xbox Series S without a cooling stand. Therefore, even if you can reduce the temperatures, you're not going to get better performance. So having a cooling stand, all it's going to do is use up more electricity. It's going to make your Xbox Series S more bulky. Okay, it's going to run cooler, but unless you're like, there's no real situation where running cooler is going to help you out, because at the end of the day, guys, these games are optimized not for a cooling stand Xbox Series S, but for a regular Xbox Series S. The Xbox Series S has been designed to run at the high temperature it runs at in order to get the maximum performance available. By putting the cooling stand on, you're not going to get better performance because the games were meant to run, hot like they are already. The Xbox Series S is not thermal throttling because that's how it's designed to run. Therefore, if you put the cooling stand on, it's not going to help out. So just wanted to make it short and sweet. I'm not going to link any cooling stands in the description. If you must get one, just buy one. But you're not going to get better performance. It's just bulky and a waste of money. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.